So let's go over this disc golf basket. I'm gonna go over the different features of this. I'm gonna go over building it and then go over a demo of me using this disc golf basket, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. Okay, so let's first have a look at the actual disc golf basket itself. So it is metal, we do have chains, this is weatherproof, it is rust proof, you can have it in the rain, the snow, no problem at all. And let's have a look at the actual chains themselves, the quality of them. Chains all the way around. That way, of course, when the disc goes into the chains, it'll catch on there. And we also have a little flag at the top, which is a nice touch. That way we can easily see the disc golf basket if it is a little bit hidden. And just have a look at the size of the basket here. So you can see it is easily fitting all 6 of the Frisbees that come with it. And at the bottom here, we have our base and we have our stakes in the ground. That way this basket doesn't move at all. And what's nice about this disc golf basket set is it comes with 2 sets of discs. We have our driver, have a look at that. And then we have our mid-range Frisbee. And then of course we have our putter. So let's go over a demo of me setting this up. Okay, so let's have a look at how to build this thing. So we already screwed in the base right here, just screwed in the pole, really easy. Go ahead and put it on the ground. We'll go ahead and put in the stakes. So you do get 4 stakes with it. Go ahead and put those on in, just like that. That way this doesn't come up. So you can see it's really secure. Okay, so that's definitely not moving. All right. Okay, so what's nice is we do have a bag here that we can put on in everything. So it makes it really easy to transport. So we have an outer pocket right here. If you have a look, there's another pocket here for the other pole that we already have set up. So there's one of our poles. Then we have this main compartment. And I already have part of this built. It's just a little bit easier to transport without having to build out the entire disc golf setup. So we have our basket, our main basket, and we have a look right here. We can see that the basket has 2 parts to it. If you look, we have a wig nut that goes, we have 1, 2, 3 of them that keeps the basket together. So it's a little bit easier just to transport it like this, but you can take off the wig nuts and make this a little more portable, and it will close all the way the bag. So just move this off to the side. Okay, and then we have the main part of the disc golf little hole here, and this catches, of course, the Frisbees. So we'll go ahead and attach this. So we'll first add the basket on, fits on right on top just like that. And then we'll go ahead and add on in our second pole. And then finally, we will add the chains. Just unscrew the top here. And we'll have the holes go through right here, just like that. And it fits on top. Then we can add on the piece, screw this on in, make sure that's tight. And then finally the flag, put that on top, and then you're ready to go. So let's have a look at the chains here. So you'll notice we have chains on the front and on the back. So the ones on the back are already attached out of the box. So just need to attach these, the front ones, on the little rim right here. And then you are good to go with the chains. And I just keep them on these hooks when I put them back into the bag, so I don't have to do this each and every time. The overall setup of this takes around 7 minutes once you've done it a couple times, especially if you have the basket already set up and the chains already set up. Maybe a little bit shorter than that, maybe like 5 minutes. But if you're doing it for the first time without the chains or the basket already made, then it'll take around 12 minutes or so. Okay, so let's just have a look at this thing in action. Okay, so who is this disc golf basket for? Really, anyone who wants to practice their disc golf in their backyard, at the park. So even if you are just, getting into the sport, you just have already been into the sport for a while, this is definitely a quality one that will work really well. Like I said, this is rust proof, it's all weather. Just anyone who needs something that's really portable and easy to set up, this will work really well.